Welcome to Claude Code News. Today we're covering version 2.1.101, a release packed with enterprise-ready improvements, a brand new team onboarding command, critical session resume fixes, and a long-overdue timeout patch that finally lets local LLMs and extended thinking breathe. Let's get into it. First up, the new team onboarding command. Run it inside any project and Claude Code will generate a personalized ramp-up guide for a new teammate, drawn directly from your local Claude Code usage. No more writing onboarding docs by hand. Claude already knows how your project works, so let it write the guide for you. Enterprise developers, this one's for you. Claude Code now trusts your operating system's CA certificate store by default. That means corporate TLS inspection proxies just work. No more wrestling with custom cert bundles or environment variables. If you need to revert to the old bundled-only behavior, simply set Claude Code Cert Store Bundled. The main resume flag has had a rough few releases, and 2.1101 tackles it head-on with a wave of fixes. Large sessions were losing conversation context when the loader anchored on a dead-end branch instead of the live conversation thread. A separate bug let resume accidentally bridge into an unrelated subagent conversation, and a crash occurred whenever a persisted edit or write tool result was missing its file path. All three are fixed. Here's a fix that local LLM users and anyone using extended thinking have been waiting for. There was a hard-coded 5-minute request timeout baked into Claude Code that fired regardless of your API timeout mess setting. Running a slow local model, hitting an extended thinking query? Didn't matter. 5 minutes and you got cut off. That ceiling is now removed and API timeout mess is fully respected. A cluster of error message improvements makes Claude Code far less cryptic when things go wrong. Rate limit retries now tell you exactly which limit was hit and when it resets. No more staring at a meaningless countdown. Refusal errors now surface the API-provided explanation so you know why the request was blocked. And tool not available errors now explain why the tool can't be used in the current context and how to proceed. Security-conscious teams will be glad to hear a command injection vulnerability in the POSIX, which fallback used by LSP binary detection has been patched. On the memory side, a long-running session leak where the virtual scroller was retaining dozens of historical copies of the message list is now fixed, and permissions.deny rules can no longer be silently downgraded to a prompt by a pre-tool use hook. Your deny rules are finally airtight. Rounding out the release is a wave of polish. The resume picker gets a big UX overhaul, wider default view, Windows terminal preview fix, correct working directory and work trees, and the terminal title now sets properly. Plugin handling is also tightened. Duplicate/command names, update failures, and stale version caches are all resolved. And the grep tool now self-heals its rip-grep binary path mid-session when VS Code auto-updates or macOS app translocation moves it. That wraps up the highlights for Claude Code v2.1101, Team Onboarding, Zero Config Enterprise TLS, a thorough session resume overhaul, and that long-awaited timeout fix. If you found this useful, hit subscribe so you never miss a release. See you next time.